Hey guys, Sandra here from Gitana Styling and the Fashion Entrepreneur Club. I wanted to let you know that the membership is now open. So we have turned our signature program, which is the Fashion Business Online Incubator, into a membership, a monthly membership. And you might be asking yourselves, why? Well, because in the original program, we will work intensely for 10 weeks, workbooks, planners, lessons. We will go through all of this, right, to take you from point A to point Z, right? And once the program was over, then you just had access to me in case you had any extra questions or you needed feedback and things like that. But I understand that you need continued support because things are always happening inside our businesses. Maybe the technology is changing, so you need to update things, or maybe you change your focus in your business and you have new products or new services, or maybe something is happening in the world, in the market, and you need to pivot, right? So for all of those things, I have created the membership. So also, aside from building your foundations, right, for your business, then we're working on all these things and you're getting support along the way as you're building the business. So inside of the membership, aside from having access to the original lessons, where I'm going to release them one by one, month after month, right, to establish those foundations in the business, you're also going to have access to a tutorial. I'm going to do a monthly tutorial where I'm going to teach you on how to do something inside your business that is key. Then I'm also going to host an accountability call. We're going to jump on Zoom once a month, and you can ask me questions. You can get feedback if you have questions about what you're working on, or you need something else that you're going through inside of your business. That's the time to ask the questions. Aside from that, of course, we'll have email support. We have the Facebook group where you can always ask questions. And I'm also putting together these motivational videos once a month, so I can help you work through the mindset part of the business. If you're struggling with certain things when it comes to your mindset of leveling, growing, changing things, I'm going to create that type of content there in well to give you those tools as well. And any other resources that I'm using inside my business that are helpful, that any tools, any worksheets, anything, if I go to an event and I have access to certain information, all of those things are also going to be shared inside the membership, so you can get that continuous support. If you want more details, I'm going to leave a link below so you can check them out. And I wanted to let you know that if you have been a previous student of mine, you have been in any of my courses or any of my workshops, or maybe you're an original member of the program or of the previous membership, let me know. Sorry, because I do have a coupon code for you. So yeah, I'm just excited to get started with this. This month, we're focusing on creating opt-ins. Opt-ins is something of value that you offer to your audience, okay, in exchange for their contact information. So these might be, a coupon code or a checklist or something that your audience wants. And in exchange, they give you their email or their phone number, right? And then you start building a list of potential customers, right? Of leads, of warm leads, because they already show interest in what you're doing and what your business is about. And then that way, whenever you have a launch, whenever you have an offer, whenever you have a new color, whatever it is, right, for your product or service, then you can go ahead and contact them. And as all that stuff happens, right, you can start developing a relationship with them, nurture it, grow it, and create that connection that is going to generate continuous sales. The point of the membership, right? Like all the content we're creating, all the content that I'm putting together for you, is focused on three main areas. The first area is all about establishing your fashion brand. So this is about, people knowing who you are and what your brand is about and what are your products and services, right? So they recognize you, okay? So you have an identity. The second thing is all about visibility. It's about getting your brand out there. What things to do to get the brand out there so people know that you exist, okay? And the third area of focus is about sales. So it's about building a sales system step by step that is working behind the scenes continuously, right? So you can generate a continuous, income, right? Not just waiting for things to happen, not just going to events and hoping that things happen, but having that proactive strategy happening behind the scenes so you can count with a certain amount and you can grow it and expand it and all of that. So those are the three main areas. Again, establishing your brand so people know who you are. Number two, getting the brand out there so people know that you exist. And number three, having a sales system so you can generate continuous income. So everything that we're creating, the lessons, the tutorials, everything has to do with those three areas. So if you want to work on those three areas and you need the support, again, just, check out the details below. I try to keep it at a price point that everyone can join. And yeah, I'm just excited to start working with you. If you have any questions, also leave them in the comments, and I will see you guys inside. Okay, bye guys.